LinkedIn and Twitter are both social networks, but that's about where the similarities end. I have quite the following on Twitter. Looking back, I might laugh at my following count, but right now I got about 40,000 followers on Twitter. Huge fan of the platform. I think it acts as a time machine. Basically, Twitter information is about 2 weeks ahead, 1 to 2 weeks ahead of everyone else in the world. And I'm a huge fan of that. The other network, LinkedIn, is more for people's professional identities, whereas Twitter might be for shit posting, LinkedIn is for value posting. And where one is for people, one is for people's avatars, the things they present to the outside world. One is Clark Kent and the other is Superman. Which one should you pick for your digital marketing? Let's find out in today's video. Join today at taplio.com. Let's talk about these two platforms and which one you should pick for your digital marketing. Twitter. Twitter is used by millions of people every day, from celebrities to politicians to the average man on the street. The way that I like to think about Twitter is it's the only spot where you can just mention a billionaire and they're more likely to respond to it versus their assistant. It's not Elon Musk's assistant writing his tweets. It's him. It's not Jeff Bezos' assistant writing his tweets. It's literally him on his phone. There's no other social media platform that puts you face to face with celebrities, politicians, these great people. So that's what I really like about Twitter. Yes, you're limited to 280 characters, but that allows you to boil down your thoughts into very small portions. And it's one reason why Twitter is the platform that I'm most addicted to. The other platform that we wanted to talk about is LinkedIn in our battle royale, in our comparison. LinkedIn is a much more professional social network. You have a professional profile picture, your backstory, your jobs, everything on here to make you seem as professional as possible. And the content is different as well. Content on LinkedIn is longer. It might have polls. It might use business memes or tell heart-wrenching stories. It's a very different type of content to the shit posting on Twitter. We actually have courses on both of these, by the way, Twitter 10K and LinkedIn X, two of our best courses, and you can get those as part of Email 10K Ultimate. So how do they compare? How does LinkedIn compare to Twitter? Well, if you want to generate your audience and you want a personal connection with that audience, Twitter can be a better option. But if you want to generate an audience and do outreach and make sales and talk to business professionals in a business setting, then LinkedIn's the tool for you. When I'm thinking about which marketing channel will work best for my business, I always think about where my customers are. When I worked in an office environment, I was on LinkedIn. When I became a free entrepreneur, I gravitated more towards Twitter. So if your target market are people like sales professionals, coders, designers, anyone that would be in an office environment, LinkedIn is going to be where they are. A lot of offices will block Twitter and other social media platforms, but leave LinkedIn. Especially if you're selling to anyone in HR or sales, they're on LinkedIn all day, and you can outreach to them in a much more aggressive manner than you could on Twitter. Twitter limits your reach and makes it very hard to find new people without engaging on their tweets or engaging with their content. But LinkedIn has all of these tools for automation. They've got Sales Navigator. They have all of these tools. Even Taplio has some outreach built in where you can find new people and bring them into your orbit, which as a cold emailer, I love. So if you're a content creator, you're looking to connect with other makers or other indie developers, then Twitter is going to be the spot. But if you're trying to contact anyone in a corporate environment, business owners, SDRs, anything like that, you're going to be better off on LinkedIn. If you want to learn more about lead generation and you want me to give you feedback on your LinkedIn profile, we've made six figures, mid six figures now on LinkedIn in the last year. So if you want us to coach you on LinkedIn, head on over to email10k.com, then you can sign up right there. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.